You need only 3 ingredients to make these tasty shortbread fingers. Come with me guys as I show you how to make it. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So you need butter and sugar. You're going to cream them together until it becomes fluffy, just to dissolve the sugar. I will leave the full measurements of the ingredients in the description box. Please check it out. After that, you add your flour, which is the 3rd ingredient. You add it in bits just to form a dough. So basically you need just sugar, butter and flour to make these shortbread fingers. Bring together to form a dough. Then wrap it up in a cling film and refrigerate for about 15 minutes. Place your parchment paper or baking paper on a tray and roll out your dough. You can roll it thick or thin depending on how you want it. After rolling it, you cut with a scraper or knife. Bake for about 16 to 20 minutes. If it's not ready, you can always put it back, and this is what you get. You don't need much, just 3 ingredients: your butter, your sugar, your flour. You get these tasty shortbread fingers. Will you be trying this out? Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.